This video, we're going to be finding sets and complements of sets for a real world situation. Okay, so the notation that you need to know on this is that if X is a set, then X prime, or X with a little tick mark up here, is the complement of X. Okay, and what that means is the opposite. Okay, so if an element is in X, then it's not going to be an X complement. Okay, and if an element is not in X, then it will be in the complement. Okay, and that's assuming that you have something like this that has all the things. This is called the universal set for our problem. Okay, so this is all the things. So you look at this and you figure out what X is, and X complement would be everything that is not included in X. Okay, so this problem has the 8 different blood types that we have. So here's the blood types right here. This is who they can donate to, okay? And this is who they can receive from. So for example, AB positive can donate to AB positive only, but they can receive from everybody. So the AB positive can take any blood type, okay? Or let's say O positive, they can donate to A plus, B plus, A, B plus, and O plus, but they can only receive from O plus and O negative, O positive and O negative. Okay, so let's look at our two problems here. They're both going to be based on this table. Let X be the set of blood types that A, B negative can donate blood to. Okay, so we go to X, or we look at X, and it's a set of blood types that AB negative can donate to. Here's AB negative. Here's the two that it can do. Okay, so X includes these two things. Okay, so the first question is, what is X complement? Okay, so if X is the set that includes AB positive and AB negative, the complement of that is everything except for those two. Okay, so we look at the universal set, we write down everything except for these two things for the complement. So it's the opposite of this. So I'm going to write A plus because it's not here. I'm going to write B plus because it's not here. I'm not going to write AB plus positive or AB negative, either one of those, because they are here. I will write A negative because it's not here, B negative because it's not here, O positive because it's not here, and O negative since it's not here. Once you find the complement of the set, if you combine those two together, you should get the universal set. So you should get everything between between X and X complement. All elements should be listed, and they are. We have all 8, 2 here and 6 here. Okay, next question. Let Y prime be, and that's the complement, Y complement, be the set of blood types that A plus cannot receive blood from. Okay, so let's go to A, and these are the sets that it can, okay, but this is Y complement says all the blood types that it cannot receive blood from. So the complement would be the opposite of that. It would be all the blood types that A plus can receive blood from, which is already listed for us right here. Okay, so the complement being the opposite, instead of the all the types of blood that A plus cannot, that's the complement, then Y would be can, and it's just these. Okay, so it is A plus, A positive, A negative, O positive, O negative. Okay. Let's look at this one. Let P be the set of blood types that A negative can receive blood from. Okay, so we go to A negative and we say, okay, what two can they do? They can receive from A negative and O negative. Okay, so P, not P complement, just P includes those, A negative and O negative. The complement has to have everything else in it that's included in the universal set. Okay, so everything except for these two things is going to be in the complement. So we have A positive, B positive, AB positive, AB negative, A negative, no, because that's here, can't include it. B negative we can include. O positive, and then O negative, nope, it's here, so we can't include it, so this is it. Okay, and notice, again, if you look at all these plus these two, because these two things are complements, you should have the same things that are in the universal set here. Okay, and then last, let Q complement be the set of blood types that A plus cannot receive blood from. Okay, so Q complement, I'll write that down here. Q complement being the opposite of Q. Okay, so if Q complement is all the set of blood types that A plus cannot receive blood from, then Q is the set of blood types that A plus can receive blood from. They're opposites. Okay, so we go to A plus right here, and we see that we have A plus, A minus, O plus, and O minus. So that's what I'm going to write right here. A plus, A minus, O plus, and O minus, or positive, negative, however you want to say it, which that was the question. But if we wanted to write out the set of elements here, it would be everything that's in the universal set that's not here. Okay, so that would be no A plus because it's here. B plus is included. AB plus is included. Let's see, AB minus, AB negative is included. A minus is not included because it's here. B minus, B negative is included. And then the two O's are not included, so this is it. And there's all the sets that are in Q complement. And if you combine these together, you should get all 8 blood types, and you do. So that's it.